Installing G-Connector. To install the G-Connector add-on from your Google Sheets environment, open any spreadsheet or create a new one at docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Then click Get Add-ons under the Add-ons menu. In the subsequent dialog, search for G-Connector for Salesforce and click on it. Then click the blue Install button on the right from G-Connector for Salesforce. You'll need to give certain permissions to the app in order to get it installed. After you give the requested permissions, the add-on will be installed and ready to use. You can now access amazing data loading capabilities, schedule your reports and workflows, transform and share your Salesforce data in the collaborative environment of Google Sheets. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.